初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm starting my study now.
I'm starting my study now.
我现在开始学习了。
I'm starting my study now.
I'm starting my study now.
I need to review this.
I need to review this.
我需要复习这个。
I need to review this.
I need to review this.
I'm learning something new.
I'm learning something new.
我正在学习新东西。
I'm learning something new.
I'm learning something new.
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
我需要更多练习。
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
I'm focusing on this now.
I'm focusing on this now.
我现在正专注于这个。
I'm focusing on this now.
I'm focusing on this now.
I need to write notes.
I need to write notes.
我需要记笔记。
I need to write notes.
I need to write notes.
I'm reading this again.
I'm reading this again.
我正在重新阅读这个。
I'm reading this again.
I'm reading this again.
I need to memorize this.
I need to memorize this.
我需要记住这个。
I need to memorize this.
I need to memorize this.
I'm almost finished here.
I'm almost finished here.
我在这里几乎完成了。
I'm almost finished here.
I'm almost finished here.
I need to stay focused.
I need to stay focused.
我需要保持专注。
I need to stay focused.
I need to stay focused.
I'm solving this problem.
I'm solving this problem.
我正在解决这个问题。
I'm solving this problem.
I'm solving this problem.
I need to check answers.
I need to check answers.
我需要检查答案。
I need to check answers.
I need to check answers.
I'm studying every day.
I'm studying every day.
我每天都在学习。
I'm studying every day.
I'm studying every day.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
我需要短暂休息一下。
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
I'm trying a new method.
I'm trying a new method.
我正在尝试新方法。
I'm trying a new method.
I'm trying a new method.
I need some quiet time.
I need some quiet time.
我需要一些安静的时间。
I need some quiet time.
I need some quiet time.
I'm learning very slowly.
I'm learning very slowly.
我学得很慢。
I'm learning very slowly.
I'm learning very slowly.
I need to understand more.
I need to understand more.
我需要理解更多。
I need to understand more.
I need to understand more.
I'm checking my mistakes.
I'm checking my mistakes.
我正在检查我的错误。
I'm checking my mistakes.
I'm checking my mistakes.
I need to listen again.
I need to listen again.
我需要再听一遍。
I need to listen again.
I need to listen again.
I'm improving step by step.
I'm improving step by step.
我正在逐步进步。
I'm improving step by step.
I'm improving step by step.
I need to read slower.
I need to read slower.
我需要读得更慢一些。
I need to read slower.
I need to read slower.
I'm taking my time.
I'm taking my time.
我正在慢慢来。
I'm taking my time.
I'm taking my time.
I need to ask questions.
I need to ask questions.
我需要提问。
I need to ask questions.
I need to ask questions.
I'm working on homework.
I'm working on homework.
我正在做作业。
I'm working on homework.
I'm working on homework.
I need to rewrite this.
I need to rewrite this.
我需要重写这个。
I need to rewrite this.
I need to rewrite this.
I'm reviewing old notes.
I'm reviewing old notes.
我正在复习旧笔记。
I'm reviewing old notes.
I'm reviewing old notes.
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
我需要更多练习。
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
I'm learning with videos.
I'm learning with videos.
我正在通过视频学习。
I'm learning with videos.
I'm learning with videos.
I need to organize notes.
I need to organize notes.
我需要整理笔记。
I need to organize notes.
I need to organize notes.
I'm reading a new chapter.
I'm reading a new chapter.
我正在阅读新章节。
I'm reading a new chapter.
I'm reading a new chapter.
I need to focus harder.
I need to focus harder.
我需要更加专注。
I need to focus harder.
I need to focus harder.
I'm learning from examples.
I'm learning from examples.
我正在从例子中学习。
I'm learning from examples.
I'm learning from examples.
I need to repeat this.
I need to repeat this.
我需要重复这个。
I need to repeat this.
I need to repeat this.
I'm almost done studying.
I'm almost done studying.
我几乎完成学习了。
I'm almost done studying.
I'm almost done studying.
I need more explanation.
I need more explanation.
我需要更多解释。
I need more explanation.
I need more explanation.
I'm checking my progress.
I'm checking my progress.
我正在检查我的进度。
I'm checking my progress.
I'm checking my progress.
I need to try again.
I need to try again.
我需要再试一次。
I need to try again.
I need to try again.
I'm learning better now.
I'm learning better now.
我现在学得更好了。
I'm learning better now.
I'm learning better now.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。